So hello everyone, welcome back to the video. And in this video, I will be sharing AUD USD trade analysis and some quick recap of last video, which I really messed up taking those three trades by not considering the correlation between the pairs. Also, yeah, let's get started. So first of all, okay, I am in the AUD USD longs on the 66 to 100 and 50% area is or 50% by a limit area is 65 900, 900 and SL is overall SL 65 600 0.65 600, right? So yeah, let's do some recap. Okay, so I think I took this trade last week on this level by there was some fundamental and technical was yeah if you look till this 7 May 230 candle, all the technical scenario was suggesting the downside move, right? And obviously we got some 40 pips floating profit, but price took our SL for 50 pips till yeah on this level. So the fundamental doesn't support our narrative and kept consolidating. Price kept consolidating till date. So yeah, and on the other hand, GBP USDT trade went good till this liquidity sell side liquidity level and gave some 1 is to 2 120 pips profit and turn around after I think some yeah there was some news, the positive news for pound. I think that was some 1 second. Yeah, uh, yeah, BOE Bank of England bank rate kept 5.25% and some inflation projection lowered across the forecast horizon. So yeah, some this uh, major news and announcement uh, market decided to uh, show some hawkish yeah market reacted hawkish on the monetary policy and yeah it started reversing from the current demand zone. Yeah, technically we had some volume spike over here again. So yeah, this was a good 1 is to 2 trade and AUD USD. On the AUD USD, yeah, I realized that this trade aren't going to go in favor. So I think I realized and I could cut out this trade on 20 pips, where stop loss was 60 pips over here. So yeah, it was a good move by cutting short losses. And what price did? Yeah, I knew that eventually it's gonna go up, but yeah, I didn't trade it this few 3 4 days. I waited for price to consolidate and give some uh, big picture or clear picture for us to plan our trade, right? So yes, now currently we are on buys on AUD and yeah, the reasons are same. Uh, Australian dollar can strengthen on the current ongoing government spending on the housing market. It may strain the Australian economy and boost as well. So I think that it should impact on their currency too. So, and on the other hand, we have inflation numbers tomorrow coming up, when which forecast is negative on core inflation too, and retail sales too. So this is the chance for us to anticipate buys on the both currencies, which is seeming to weaken, and one is strengthening, which is Australian dollar. So yeah, and let's see what happens. And tomorrow, if we get some stickier or higher than expected inflation numbers, eventually our SL is going to hit, right? No doubt. But if we get worse inflation number on the US economy by anticipated, then anticipated, so we can see a good spike, and we can book some partials over here on 0.67500, and we can continue going up on the AUD. So yeah, it will be a good trade if everything goes in our favor, but after all, it is a risky trade, no doubt, but you have to take risk, and you have to take calculated risk at the end of the day. You cannot be look for a perfect entry. There is no perfect entry. If someone is watching and judging on this entry, now I don't care, because I know I have to take risk on some part of time. Now, just assume if inflation number comes way more worse than expected. So what will happen? Obviously, US dollar is going to weaken and Australian dollar will strengthen, because we are trading Australian dollar as base currency, right? So does it make sense if price come around this area and I enter my buys over here and risk the whole 200 pips SL? Does it make sense? No. So it is what it is. You have to risk. You have to take risk, and you have to take calculated risk. Now, any of you might be scaring to um, enter the buys on this level, which is forming a resistance level. So yeah, you have to take chance. Now, I don't believe in the breakout trades or wait for confirmation. No, you have to predict, or you have to have that conviction to gain high points or high rewards in market. Now, many of traders are like, yeah, you can do for scalp by looking for confirmation, but why we are trading fundamentals? Because you have to understand fundamentals and how they are going to come. You are not just predicting the candles, you are predicting the economy, and by your experience, it show up the results, right? So yes, and let's see what happens. So I will be sharing some update if our SL get hits, or the buy limit get trigger on the Instagram. So if you are looking this video, if you are watching this video in the morning, you can still buy tomorrow, because still there are 18 hours 18 hours left for inflation numbers to come out. So still you can plan buys on smaller risk, 1 to 2% by risking 1 to 2% of this trade. But trust me, if this trade goes in our favor, it is going to smash the 0.68500 level soon. Mark my word, right? Because what we are risking is we are risking 60 pips for 240 pips and further, right? So yeah, it's a good risk to reward trade, and let's see where it goes. So see you guys in next video.